Hi, I'm Lucky. And today we're gonna make for you. What are we making? What? The world's greatest bean dip?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. It's cooking time, cocinando time. It's cooking time, time to make.
And today's bean dip only has 3 ingredients. Well, 4 if you count salt. First ingredient, main ingredient, beans. Frijoles, refried, canned variety. You could use black beans, but I will guarantee you that these ones are the ones to use, right? Okay, and then we're gonna use queso, cheese. Do you like cheese? Yep. And the most important ingredient is Mexican chorizo. It's so important you use Mexican chorizo and you do not use Spanish chorizo. Although Spanish chorizo is delicious, we need Mexican chorizo. And oh, you can also get soy chorizo or you can get beef or pork chorizo. Okay, so we're gonna add the ingredients. It's super easy for kids to do it and just be safe because it's hot. So the first ingredient we're gonna put in is Mexican chorizo. Whoa. And we're gonna break that down first so we get all the oils and the fats and all the spices all kind of worked out. And now that we've broken down the chorizo on the plate and it's nice and hot, now we're gonna add the beans, the frijoles. 1 spoonful, it's about 2 cups of frijoles. There's little beans in there. Oh, there is. Oh, they're so delicious. This is gonna be so good. Okay, so you add the frijoles and you mix them all up just like so. And the last ingredient that's super important is the cheese, the queso. Indiana, put it in there while we're just going. Oh yeah! Extra queso? So easy, even a child can do it. Nice. You guys, we did it. Lo hicimos. We made the world's greatest bean dip, although we haven't taste tested this one. So can you taste test it for us?
This is great.
This is great. There you have it. Delicioso y sabroso. Okay, it's gonna be a smash at all of your parties, so please prepare it. And the best thing is, if you have any left over, you can make tacos, tostadas, tortas. You can put it on your nachos. You can have it by just a spoonful. I guarantee you that this is delicious. Okay, we'll see you next time. Adios. Adios.